Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I want to show you some three cool features of WhatsApp, what we call new features available on WhatsApp. Either you're using GB or you are using original WhatsApp. So all these features were introduced recently due to demand of people. WhatsApp has been consuming a lot of storage usage whereby it makes your phone slow. So I'm going to show you how you can access those files without using any other third-party apps or what we call app cleaners. So let's get into the video. You're going to open WhatsApp like so. When you reach here after opening WhatsApp, you're going to click on these three buttons. Go to settings. Then from here you have to go to data and storage usage. As you're seeing here, storage usage, it's still calculating. Open this one. This feature wasn't available of recent, so it was introduced of recent. You can use this one to know the chat, which is consuming a lot of space. For example, this group and this first contact, they are taking a lot of space. So the chat which is taking a lot of space will always appear at the top. So you can either select all of them and clear at once, or you can select one at a go. For example, the first one here, then you select what you want to delete from here. It will show you what is taking up a lot of space. So you can select videos, as you say, by first clicking on this one, free up. Then you can choose what you want. So you can choose the texts, but text mine doesn't take a lot of space, so I choose videos and audios and photos, maybe and sticker. Then I can delete now. Clear the messages. Yeah, so now I've cleared. So I can next I can clear this one also without deleting. Recently you were deleting the whole chat, but now you can choose what exactly you want to delete. You want to free up the video, yes, you select the videos, you select the documents if they are taking up a lot of space, audio, texts you can leave them, contacts you can leave them. Yeah, so these are only the shared contacts, the not phone contacts, they're only shared contacts. Yeah, so you can delete the items, selected items, yeah, like that, and leave the messages. Then you can go like that, checking the contact which you want to delete, or you can select all of them and delete all of them. But these ones down, they don't normally take a lot of space, especially these ones at the top. So that is the cool feature which was introduced of recent. Now we don't need to first use cleaners, but you directly come here, you check what is taking up a lot of space, and you delete it. Or you can first check from here, if you find it is in like GB or 500, maybe half GB, that is when you can delete. Yeah. Then another thing I wanted to show you here, chats. You can change your WhatsApp into dark mode. Yeah, I can change it into dark mode. Yeah, if you don't like chatting when light is much, or where everyone can know that you're using WhatsApp. Then another cool stuff is here about the privacy. You can go here, privacy, and you activate this one. You activate your fingerprints. Yeah, so whenever you want to open your WhatsApp, you can set fingerprints. You first put fingerprints, then you open it. Without fingerprints you cannot open it. You can put immediately, or you can set 1 minute. It's about how you want it. Yeah, those are the 3 cool features of WhatsApp. Yeah, so if you like this video, hit subscribe button and hit notification bell. Thank you for watching.